All right, these were all scraps. I tried to wedge them and make them into something else. Super moist. Which is good because I want to make a pinch pot and that I can't do that with stiff clay. I just want to get everything kind of evenly moist and consistent so I can make a bunch of stuff if I want to, because I'm making small pinch pot planters, so I don't really need that much clay for each one. Okay, so I just like finishing the ball. I can't stop myself, even though I don't need to. Okay. Where is my wire? Here we go. I think this is enough for 4. Let's try cutting it into 4 pieces. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Like starting with the ball. This might be a little too big still, but let's try it. Shoot, I keep forgetting I've got to turn in my application today. It's so wet and windy. Wet, windy, rainy, cold. It's hard to remember that it's time to apply for summer fairs. It's thick here. Didn't disperse the clay enough. I don't know. I want it to poof out a little more. of angling in because it's going to be a hedgehog. So it needs to be rounded on the outside. That looks pretty good. It's plenty thick, so I can make it, pooch it out more. Okay. All right, that looks good. Now, this looks like the face to me, the face side. Let's see if we can make the nose. Oh dear, that nose got really big quick. Okay. Let's see. The clay is so moist, I don't have to slip and whatever it's called. It's called, what I'm doing is called welding. I can remember that word at least. Okay, that's the nose. So let's see, what do I usually do for the face? I feel like the objects I see are going to be too how about this? Uh-oh, that didn't go through at all. Trying to get it symmetrical, because symmetrical is cute. All right, now, mouth. Make it a happy one. Okay, now the fur. But not the face. Trick to making a hedgehog is leaving the face bare. Okay, like that. Let's do the rest of the fur. Oh, I didn't put feet on it. Or a tail. Tail goes on the back. obviously. Okay. That's where the tail goes. All right, that looks centered. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna, the tails are naked too. So I'm gonna fur right up to the base of the tail. Like that. Oh no! I was so absorbed with my tail I didn't notice I was reading my nose. But it's fine. Got a little concave, so I'm just pressing from the other side. Also, I want it smooth on the face for a nice finished product. And here it is. And here's my finished version. This one has feet. But this is the raw clay. This one got a dot of glaze on the nose. That wasn't on purpose. And here's the tail. Here's the bottom. I have to wait till it's leather hard and I'll put some holes in the new one. There we go. Hedgehog planters.